You gotta think with intention. There has to be intention behind every single thing you do. Every single thing.
Active, you know what I'm saying? We got the road mic. You need to be putting your time and effort into other businesses that you're getting back from trading.
1% after a year is 365% better. If you could 3 times yourself every single year, you're gonna be, in 10 years, you're gonna be 30 times better. And people don't realize the power of compound interest. And this is the second thing I wanted to tell you guys on how to keep your mind off the charts. This is something that everybody could do if you're not constantly learning. Because if you're not learning outside of trading, why are you gonna learn as a trader? What's gonna actually make you wanna learn new concepts?
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another video. Today it is Saturday? Yeah, it is Saturday today. And right now it is approximately about to be 12 o'clock. And I was just about to get this microphone for y'all. I was about to get this wireless microphone so I could have way better quality when it comes to the vlog, so I can actually move around, and all the audio will sound the same regardless if I'm pointing the camera at me, or say if I'm pointing it at the chart, or I'm pointing it at my car or something. It would all sound the same. And I got this discount because I had found an open box for a microphone, and then I got it at Best Buy. I ordered it. I was waiting all morning for it so I can actually record it on this video. That was the whole goal. I wanted to have that for the new video today so I can have something to make new content with, to be more creative. When I got the box, I got it about 15 minutes ago. I opened it. The microphone wasn't even there. The only thing I fucking wanted wasn't even there. So I had to return it. Then when I tried to return it, I asked if they had other open boxes, and they didn't. And I was about to pay $120 just for a little cheap mic, just because it came with other things. It just didn't make sense. I only got it because it was on that little sale. But as you guys can see by the title of this video, I want to talk to you guys about how to get your mind off the charts, how to keep your mind off the charts, and just keep your mind busy. Because at the end of the day, it's very, very, very crucial when it comes to trading, when it comes to being an entrepreneur, when it comes to making money online and in anything. You got to understand how to control what you're putting your attention to, because you only have so much energy. You can only put so much energy into certain things. You got to be careful what you put your energy into, because then you might not have the energy you need to put it into what's really important. You can put it into all the wrong things and it can ruin it. You got to understand where to put your energy. And in things such as trading, you shouldn't be trading all day. You shouldn't be sitting in front of the charts all day. There's no point. In this environment, if you're sitting in the chart, if you're sitting in front of the charts, if you're sitting there, you're more than likely going to be looking for trades. You're more than likely going to see opportunities that you never would have seen if you weren't looking. You're more than likely going to give yourself the opportunity to self-sabotage yourself. You guys got to understand, less is more. And chart time, depending on how long you've been trading, because when you're an earlier trader, you're more than likely going to have to spend way more time on the charts, because you're going to be learning all these different concepts. You got to get a lot of back testing compared to somebody that's been trading 4 or 5 years. They're not going to have to be on the charts all day every day. So yes, if you're newer, I do recommend getting that chart time, but even then, you got to understand, you shouldn't be on the chart still looking at it, looking for trades 15 hours out the day. No, you have to be structured with your time. You got to understand what you're looking for, what you're there to do. And that's it. You got to be very intentional. I'm going to be going over a few ways that you guys can do this in this video. Alright, before we go to the gym, I'm actually going to go get a different mic. I said fuck it, and I'm just going to get the high quality mic that I was going to get anyway. I was just going to settle for less, try to get a cheaper mic, but no, we're not going to short out on the quality of the content. And I also thought that this is just going to funnel into the first thing we're going to talk about. The first thing you got to do to be able to get your mind off the charts is you got to have another business. You have to have a side hustle. You have to have a hobby, something. You need to be putting your time and effort into other businesses that you're getting back from trading, because if you're trading, you're more than likely trading to get money. You're trading to get your time back. What are you going to do with that time? You can't sit home all day. You can't just watch YouTube all day unless you're watching educational videos. Then it's a little bit different. But even then, you shouldn't be watching educational videos all day, every day. That's just not something that you should be doing. At the end of the day, you need to have a hobby. In my opinion, one thing that I personally do is I make content. I like to record, and I've done this for years. I posted hundreds of videos before I made $1 on YouTube. $1. Hundreds. I'm at like 900 videos on this channel, and I post videos not for the money, because this is something that I enjoy. This is a hobby. This is a business model that I like. This is something I enjoy. I find purpose in this, and that's the main thing. You guys can find side hustles, you can find hobbies, but find something that gives you purpose. You got to find something that you're going to look forward to, because it's one thing to say have a hobby of going to the gym, have the hobby of playing golf, But if you don't really like it, it's not really going to be doing the job of keeping your mind off the charts. You want to find something that occupies you so much. You want to find something that you enjoy doing so much. You want to find something that you just find so purposeful that you just forget about trading. You forget about the charts. You forget it's the weekend. You forget that you're in a trade. You forget all of those things. Maybe not forget that you're in a trade, but you get the idea. You understand what I'm saying. Like for me, for example, like what I'm doing right now, it's already 2 o'clock and my whole entire morning has been filled with me trying to get a camera mic, trying to do all of that, trying to make content, and I haven't even thought about the charts. I haven't even thought about trading. I'm a day trader. I trade every single day, and I was not thinking about the charts at all today when it comes to just anything I was doing. This because my mind has been occupied. I've been putting my attention into other things that are also going to build myself. I'm putting my attention into things that are also going to bring me back more money, bring something positive back. I'm not just making videos and getting no results from it. I'm not just making videos to make videos. There's intention behind it. I make these videos for a reason. I make these videos to help people. I make these videos to be what I wish I had for other people. Now, at the end of the day, you may not want to do that, and that's perfectly fine. Making videos is something that I do. It could be sports. It could be any other side hustle. It could be business. You could be a reseller. There's someone in the VIP Trading Network who resells AirPods. That's a side hustle. That's something he's going to be putting his attention to when he's not trading. And that's very, very, very crucial. And you guys don't understand the power in that. You really don't. You don't understand how vital it is to be able to harness your attention and know where to put it, because your attention is the most valuable thing. There's a reason why streamers get paid so much. There's a reason why YouTubers get paid so much. Attention is key. And if you know how to harness your attention and other people's attention, you're going to be rich. We are officially active. You know what I'm saying? We got the Rode mic. We about to put it on. Let's see how the quality changes. Hopefully it only gets better.
Right now, I think I got the camera connected and everything, if I'm not mistaken. Hopefully you guys can hear me good, but we are no longer using that old microphone. We are now wireless. So no matter where I am, if I move the camera all the way over here, y'all should hear me the same exact way. No kizzy. It should be good quality now at the end of the day. We're only gonna get better. The only thing I gotta really get now, I gotta get a new tripod because this one's a little bit fucked up, but I don't need it necessarily just yet. But I wanna get a wider lens soon. But now we're actually gonna head to the gym so I can talk to you guys about the second thing that's gonna keep your mind off the charts. All right, we're in the gym right now, as always. And this is the second thing I wanted to tell you guys on how to keep your mind off the charts. This is something that everybody could do. Every single person watching this video can do this. Every single person that has watched my videos ever, I don't care, unless you're like missing your legs or your arms. The second thing you could do to keep your mind off the charts is work out, and this is going to be beneficial no matter who you are, how old you are, how big you are, how skinny you are. It's going to be beneficial no matter what. And you want to know why it's beneficial? Because this isn't just, working out isn't just meant for the body, it's for your mind. It's going to help you build discipline. It's going to help you build patience because results aren't going to happen overnight. I'm not going to come in here and be able to lift 250 pounds just in one day. No, it takes time. It shows you that you have to learn over time. You have to build muscles. You have to build routines. You have to consistently do something over time. You have to consistently start low, build your way up. And it teaches you things about life. A lot of people that work out are successful. A lot of people that make a lot of money also work out. You got to keep in mind, how many people do you know that are broke that don't work out? I guarantee you it's a lot more people than people that have money that do work out. I can guarantee you that. The people that work out, they understand how things work. They understand that life isn't easy. Things take time. Good things aren't gonna just happen to you. It happens from you constantly doing repetition, doing the things that you're supposed to do every single day. It's the long game. People don't realize that. This is the long game. And working out, everybody can do. You can do it at home. You can do it at the gym. You can go do push-ups. You can do pull-ups. You can do sit-ups. You can do it no matter where you are. Everybody can do it, and it's beneficial. I promise you. I've said this in a lot of my videos because I work out every single day, but I may be biased. But go try it for yourself. I promise you, you'll see the results. And for all the ones that just don't want to start, trust me, starting is the hardest part. Not working out itself, once you get into the gym, it's pretty easy. Anybody that works out could tell you that the hardest part is actually getting to the gym, actually going, getting in the routine of making it a habit, making it something that you do every day, every other day, having that schedule that you follow religiously. It is necessary because I promise you guys, if you don't know already, getting to the gym is 10 times harder than working out once you're actually there. I can tell you that now. All right, we just got out the gym. I feel good. Like I told you guys, going to the gym is gonna it's gonna benefit you more mentally than physically in the beginning. Trust me, it's gonna take a couple months to a couple years for you to really see that physical difference. Like right now, I look cool, but I look the same as I did last month, if I'm being honest. But I wanted to talk to you guys about the third thing that's gonna help you keep your mind off the charts. Third thing is gonna be education. You gotta be constantly learning. You know what I was doing when I was working out? I was listening to a podcast. I was multitasking. I was benefiting my brain, and I was benefiting by trying to learn new information. I was benefiting by trying to learn more. By learning more, I'm gonna be able to teach other people new things. I'm gonna be able to give value, give different value and content. I'm gonna constantly be educating myself to get 1% better a day. And the only way you do that is by constantly learning, because there gets to a point to where you need to learn new things to be able to grow. Because you're not gonna know where you need to grow. You're not gonna know what you need to improve on. You're not gonna know what needs to change until you actually go through it. And most people don't even understand that. Most people, they just go through life just going with the flow. You gotta think with intention. There has to be intention behind every single thing you do, every single thing. When I was listening to that podcast, I was trying to think, what are ways I can also be productive? What are ways that I can change? What are things that he's doing that I can implement in my life? What are things that I'm doing that he's not doing that I can take away? These are things you gotta be asking yourself. And you can listen to podcasts, you can watch YouTube videos, audiobooks, books in general. I tell you guys, even videos like this can be another form of education, because I'm trying to teach you guys things. In every single video, I'm trying to teach you new things that are gonna benefit you or help you become a little bit better, 1% better every single day. 1% after a year is 365% better. If you could 3 times yourself every single year, you're gonna be, in 10 years, you're gonna be 30 times better. And people don't realize the power of compound interest. It goes a long way doing the same things every single day. It's not gonna be a really crazy video today. Today is really just gonna be informational packed. This video is for all the traders. You guys gotta understand, being on the charts all day isn't gonna benefit you. Unless you've been trading for only 2-3 months, you shouldn't be on the charts all day, every day. There's literally no point, no point. Unless you're constantly watching educational videos, unless you're in the gym, there's no reason you should even have time to be able to do that. There's no reason you should have all day to be on the charts in the first place. You have to occupy your time, because how you do one thing is how you do everything. You're not gonna be a successful trader if you haven't built other successful businesses, if you're not disciplined in the gym, if you're not constantly learning. Because if you're not learning outside of trading, why are you gonna learn as a trader? What's gonna actually make you wanna learn new concepts? What's gonna make you wanna learn new risk management strategies if you're not actively trying to learn outside of trading? It leaks into it, and you guys gotta understand that. But with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. That's gonna be it for today. Tomorrow's gonna be Sunday. We have the 9 a.m. VIP session for Sunday's educational session. This is gonna be the second one. So if you guys haven't joined the VIP, make sure you check the link in the description. On 50% off until tomorrow at 12 a.m. So make sure you check that out before the code expires. I just wanna get the team ready, because when I trade this funded account this week, when everybody in the team trades their funded accounts, trade their challenges, we're gonna have a great week, and I just want you guys to be there. And if you are new, if you haven't traded yet, if you wanna get involved in trading, if you wanna just learn how to make money online like we all do, check out the free course. We're gonna teach you everything you need to know. But with that being said, stay safe, stay productive. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. We got that new mic too.